More time. It's probably the one thing that across the board as small business owners, we would all ask for if we were granted 3 wishes. But here's the thing, if we're being truthful, we probably know that we could be a lot smarter and efficient with how we use our time. For example, instead of creating brand spanking new content every single day, we could probably do a much better job of going in and repurposing the content, information, post videos that we're already sharing on social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or even YouTube. And Pinterest Idea Pins is just one way that we can do this. If you're unfamiliar with Pinterest Idea Pins, then keep watching, because in this video I'm going to share what a Pinterest Idea Pin is, what types of small businesses can really use them, and also what benefits you can gain as a small business owner from using Pinterest Idea Pins. Hi y'all, I'm Vivian with The Seasoned Marketer, where we're seasoned marketing enthusiasts, educators, and small business advocates dedicated to helping you grow your small business. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that every week you get notified when we release our new marketing video. As a small business owner, you may already find value in using Pinterest to draw more people to your blog, your website, or even into purchasing more of your products and services. But just like every other social media platform out there right now, Pinterest is capitalizing on the video format and also using a shorter format similar to Instagram stories, which is why in May of 2021, they launched what they called Idea Pins. What is a Pinterest Idea Pin? A Pinterest Idea Pin is a multi-page video format feature that is available to all business accounts in Pinterest. The purpose of an Idea Pin, according to Pinterest, is to empower anyone with a business account to create inspiring content and better interact with their audiences, building more engaged communities directly on Pinterest. If you've been using Pinterest for any amount of time, you may actually remember that back during this time frame, Pinterest had piloted or was beta testing what they called Pinterest Story Pins. Now, from what I gather, they used the feedback that they received from these Story Pins and actually morphed it into Pinterest Idea Pins. So the Story Pins are no longer available and instead have been replaced by these Idea Pins. So if you've ever created an Instagram story, Instagram reel, or even a TikTok video, then you can very much expect to find some of the same features available within these Pinterest Idea Pins. And there are 2 ways to create this video content. One of them is to upload images or photos or graphics onto pages, and they'll allow you to actually create up to 20 pages to string together into a video format. The other way is to simply actually shoot a video within the Pinterest Idea Pin or to upload a video that you've already recorded. On top of that, just like the other platforms, they also allow you to add music, voiceover recordings, interactive stickers, and the one thing that's unique to these Pinterest Idea Pins is that they do have a little more of detailed pages where if you're walking through a recipe, you can actually upload some more detail onto these Idea Pins. Now, if you're interested in having us create a step-by-step tutorial on how to actually go in and make a Pinterest Idea Pin, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. Just go ahead and type in tutorial and we'll consider, if we get enough engagement, we'll consider creating a video that shows you step-by-step how to go about doing this here soon. What types of businesses should consider using Pinterest Idea Pins? While any business account on Pinterest has the capability to create Pinterest Idea Pins, I do highly recommend that, just like any other social media platform, that you have a purpose for using Pinterest Idea Pins or for using Pinterest in general to grow your business. And so some of the marketing strategies that are going to be a little more aligned with using Pinterest Idea Pins are going to be using Pinterest to inspire action. And what I mean by that is take whatever offering you have, whether that be a weekly email that you can offer people, a membership style community, or even just getting them to purchase more of your products and services. If you have an offering that they can engage with and take action to sign up for, then using Pinterest can be extremely effective. Using Pinterest to drive more views. This works really great if you have a blog that you're already creating and publishing. You can drive more views to your blog. If you have a YouTube channel where you're sharing more information and content, you could drive people to your YouTube channel, or if you even just want to drive them to your website. Using Pinterest to introduce your product, services, or your business to a new audience. So if you are looking for a different type of audience outside of just what you're doing on Instagram or the people that you're effectively targeting through ads, Pinterest is a great way to draw in new customers or new potential viewers that may not be catching you on some of these other social media platforms. Benefits of using Pinterest idea pins to grow your business. You can increase your exposure and tap into a new audience. While everybody knows that Google is probably the most popular search engine, what most people forget is that Pinterest is pretty high up there as well too. So people are not just going to Pinterest to look for ideas, but now they actually turn to Pinterest to try new products and services. You can repurpose content that you are already creating. Whether it's a TikTok video, an Instagram reel, or let's say taking a YouTube video and editing it down for Pinterest idea pins, it is fairly easy to reformat and edit the content and information that you're already sharing so that you can use it on Pinterest idea pins so that you can gain more exposure and just amplify your views and engagement. Pinterest is heavily pushing idea pins. It's a story as old as time, right? Sounds just like what Instagram is doing with Instagram Reels. Pinterest is actually putting a lot more resources right now behind idea pins because they are wanting to promote it within the platform. So take full advantage of that and go ahead and start creating these Pinterest idea pins so that way you know that you're creating content that Pinterest is liking and that they're going to help to kind of amplify those views for you. And you can earn revenue from it. Yep, you heard that right. You can actually monetize, fancy word for saying make money, off of creating these Pinterest idea pins. They actually have a creator rewards program that you can join. And of course, they're going to have some stipulations and some requirements that you have to meet. But if you want more information about that, go ahead and go to this link right down below. And you can read more about what those requirements are and how you can potentially make money on a monthly basis from just sharing Pinterest idea pins. If you are using Pinterest already as a small business owner, but you haven't started utilizing Pinterest idea pins, then I highly recommend that you start doing so immediately so that you can grow your audience on that Pinterest platform. If you're a small business owner that is not using Pinterest, but you are looking for ways to drive more traffic to existing content, like let's say a blog or a YouTube channel, or if you want to make more sales of your products and services, or if you're just looking for a really easy way to repurpose some of the content that you're using in other platforms, then I strongly recommend that you consider starting a Pinterest business profile. If you like this video, remember that every Monday we release a video just like this that could help you save time and money when it comes to marketing your business. Don't forget to check out our website at www.theseasonedmarketer.com, where we have a couple freebies for you to download today. And you can also sign up to join our email list where we send you even more marketing news and information. Thanks again for tuning in. We'll catch you guys next week, same time and place.